Eva made that.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, in China, there's like this company that you give them a size and then they can embroider it. And then Eva got it's like a gun, you know, she's like embroidered the whole thing herself. Yeah, so the tour, all the LED lights, all the wall panels built by me. I sewed all the interiors, so like,
yeah,
you know,
I remember that.
I did all the sewing of the window covers and everything. All the shelves and everything have sweatpants and stuff in them, which is a bonus. But you know, the actuators and stuff for the doors are really nice.
Oh, so you just pull. Oh, it's like a little handle.
Yeah, but you have to twist it in order to get it to work.
Oh, okay, so
you don't just do that, because otherwise you get stuff falling out. You know, I've got air conditioning system, heated flooring system here, and ventilation system here for the max air fan, and then the awning here. And then these counters are made with recycled paper. It's a Richlight, called Richlight material.
Oh wow, it feels like. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was plastic.
No, it's an epoxy coated like recycled paper product.
Oh, okay.
Which is pretty cool. And then you're standing on the shower pan, so this is like a in-floor shower pan. And you can have a curtain that hangs down and directs all the water down in the shower pan, which is pretty cool.
So you use this as a shower?
Yeah. So I take this and then, you know.
Yeah.
And it's hot, you know. I can get hot water, hot air, and hot flooring through the hydronic heated system. So
in the cockpit. Wow, that's a big screen.
Yeah, I installed that.
Oh, okay.
That's a Halo system from Alpine. So that was done by me, and the whole audio system in the van was done by me. Which back here, and then over here, and then if you really want to see something cool, here, go ahead and you sit down in this chair here.
Okay.
I'm gonna vibrate you.
What? Oh, what is this, subwoofer?
Oh yeah.
Reminds me when I had a station wagon when I was a teenager. My station wagon had like two 12 subs in the back and a 1200 watt amp.
Yeah.
That thing vibrated.
This is the amp for it right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it was the same size too. Maybe a little bit bigger back then.
But anyways, I don't know.
Podcast.
Yeah, and this table moves in all directions, so
nice.
Whatever's comfortable. And then sit with your back up. See how that feels.
It's pretty comfy.
Yeah, pretty comfy. Yeah.
Those are the hats you're collecting from all the trips?
Yeah. There's multiples there. You know, they're stacked on top of each other.
Yeah.
That's the vent fan, and then that's a Wii boost. It's just designed to boost the signal on the interior of the van, the cell phone signal.
Yeah, you had to redo like the suspension, I remember.
Yep.
Yeah.
Redid the suspension. I mean, when I bought this van, it had no windows. It had not, it had a roof rack, but this one's like completely new. I mean, everything on this.
Oh, you even have what is it called? Awning? What is it?
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see if it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know why. Yeah.
You got LED under there too?
Yep.
Huh.
Does the LED work? The LED.
It's pooched.
The LED is not working. What's going on with this darn thing? It's always something.
Here, let me show you. Every time that happens. Every time you need it, it doesn't work.
I'm not gonna worry about it.
Nah. It'll work when you don't need it. Yeah. As you're driving away.